Welcome to today's episode of Chopsticks to Travel. Today we are having lunch at a new ramen bar. Let's go in and check it out. My first thought are that this restaurant is super cute. But beyond just the decor, having this type of restaurant come to this area of the metro is huge. If you are like me and enjoy Japanese hibachi and ramen bars, then you might like this restaurant. Let's check out this menu. I'm feeling like some appetizers. My buddy decided to try their mango milk tea with the traditional boba. My son loves octopus. He is way more adventurous than me. Takoyaki, which allegedly are octopus balls. Okay, and now it's my turn to have some fun. I played it safe and ordered the shrimp tempura. Shrimp tempura is one of my favorite appetizers every time that I go to a Japanese restaurant. Shrimp tempura and I go way back to my days growing up in Brooklyn, New York. We used to have these fish markets in New York City. They would have fresh fish and seafood on one side and sell fried seafood plates on the other side. These are so delicious. They are crunchy and perfectly cooked, loving them with the yum yum dipping sauce. Yum! If you check out this restaurant, I definitely recommend ordering the shrimp tempura as one of your appetizers. Let's take another look at the menu and figure out what we would like to order for our entrees. They have a hibachi lunch special from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. during the week. My friend and I both decided to order the hibachi chicken lunch special, which comes with miso soup and a salad with your choice of dressing. They bring the miso soup and the salad out before the entree, and it has arrived at the table. The miso soup and salad are delicious. The salad greens are fresh and crispy, exactly the way that I enjoy my salad. The first hibachi chicken plate has now arrived at the table. It looks so delicious. Everything on the plate is fresh, flavorful, and delicious. The chicken is perfectly cooked and has that golden brown color that I love. But I have to say that no hibachi bowl is complete without yum yum sauce to go with it. The yum yum sauce is a must-have, and I always order extra sauce. I have reviewed probably 50 plus restaurants in the last few years and have eaten a lot of lunch specials. And usually the lunch portion arrives at the table disappointing. At most restaurants for lunch, you can see the bottom of your plate. Not at this restaurant. I was pleasantly surprised to see that the lunch portion is large. If the lunch portion is this size, then I can only imagine what size dinner is. Kudos for putting some food on the plate. Because of the portion size for lunch, I have enough food left over to bring home to eat for later. Well done. My son decided to order the chicken shoyu ramen bowl for his entree, and it has just arrived to the table. My son enjoyed the flavor, but the bowl is a bit small for almost $20. I'm stuffed and don't have any more space in my stomach for dessert. But my son is a warrior and he is now looking at the menu to try dessert. He has decided to check out their green tea cheesecake. Full disclaimer, after being born and raised in New York City, which has the best cheesecake in the world, I am real suspect about restaurant cheesecake. Unfortunately, the cheesecake fell flat. He was disappointed because of the size of the cheesecake. It was very small. He finished it in about 5 bites. Well, it is time to begin wrapping up lunch. Food flavor is delicious and the decor are super cute and the service was excellent. A special thank you to our server Diana for her warm and friendly personality. Diana was so great that she even helped me film this video. If you live in the Stockbridge, Georgia area, then you know that the area never gets any good quality sit-down restaurants. The only thing that we have in this area are fast food places and chain restaurants. In order to enjoy a good sit-down restaurant, I have to fight traffic and go to Atlanta. Hopefully that is about to change and we will get more restaurants like this one. I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed sharing this new restaurant with you. If you live in Stockbridge, Georgia or are visiting, check out this restaurant. Please drop me a message in the comments. I would love to know what you ordered and what you think about the restaurant. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.